Folks, on a Friday evening, and the weekend is going to be upon us. In fact, it already is for some folks. 86 degrees out at the International Airport right now. 60 is our dew point. That is less muggy. You can feel the difference today. You can feel the front. But we're seeing some high and mid-level clouds come in from the west and southwest, meaning we got a little moisture up in that direction. And some of these clouds look a little bit unstable, a little bit of instability aloft. Likewise, our tower cam, broadcasting cam there from Sinla, broadcasting 84 in Gina. We're seeing the same clouds up in that direction. So we got a little weather change coming, but Mom's weekend is the most important thing. So we'll divide up the forecast, the bottom line, focusing on this weekend, and then we'll look at next weekend where we may start wet and end wet next weekend, and Mom's weekend may be wet as well. A lot of wet going on. In fact, right now we can see the little radar picking up a little bit of echoes out to the west of us in Texas. A lot of this stuff is elevated. Now, this is reaching the surface. These are showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two out in that direction. So let me go ahead and put this in motion. You can see this is moving in from the west and southwest. You see the low level flow kind of indicated by Fort Polk radar. Looks like the wind kind of coming out of the low level wind coming out of the northeast right there. And so what's happening is that low level wind bringing in the dry air is battling against this high and mid level moisture. So far, as you can see, as that's tried to move into central Louisiana, the dry air has won the day. And I think it will probably continue. If it doesn't, we may have a few sprinkles or something like that, but I don't look for any measurable rainfall tonight out of that deal. So going beyond that, satellite and radar for today, you see the front to the south of us. That's why you felt the difference. And you see the high and mid-level clouds increasing across Mexico and Texas heading into the area. Again, that's a little impulse of energy upstairs. And so what that does is it lifts the atmosphere, creates clouds if there's moisture, and there is some still left behind, but not much to it. So don't worry about that. But we got more significant weather to check on. Here's your Friday, a nice day in Sinla, as the previous weather system from yesterday and last night is bothering the folks along the east coast there. So that energy has passed out away from us to the east. So the lifting the atmosphere has stopped. And so we see better weather. The next system is pretty minor, only a minor lift there, but we're seeing a bigger one out west. You see how this jet stream changes out there, out across California. And so there's, once again, a package of energy which is going to be on the move there by Saturday. So that's the next weather maker for us. It will cause rain to break out across the southern plains and the southern Rockies there. And as that heads eastward Sunday towards us, we will see, here it is, across the southwest, southern Rockies, and into Mexico. The rain breaks out and moves farther to the east into central Louisiana. Unfortunately, for Mother's Day, we tried to keep Mother's Day dry, but the weather just would not cooperate. And in fact, I've had to raise the rain chances again for Mother's Day. No issues for Saturday, though. Just some clouds mixing with some sunshine. Mother's Day, I did have to raise it to 70%. In the PM mainly, probably not exclusively, especially south and west of Alexandria and Pineville, but I put a PM just to say most of the rain is going to be there at that time period, and any chance of some rumbles of thunder would be after that time as well. And then Sunday night and Monday, it's going to get going, folks. Heavy rain possible during that situation, and going into Tuesday, the front finally comes through, limited rain chance to 30% in the AM Tuesday, so get a little break midweek. So first of the week starts wet, break for midweek, and then we go into Thursday and Friday when we see yet another setup for some rain and some thunderstorms during that time frame. A front will be involved in that as well. So for us, again, that's that late week and early week thing next week. Models are pretty inconsistent on the Thursday, Friday situation though, but right now there's enough to say that there will be an uptick in the rain chances. All right, that's your next 7 days. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and of course we wish them the best, and we will check on the forecast tomorrow. Again, I'll be with you then.